Hello, and welcome to another joyful tune-in. And today I'd like to read to you some notes that came through the other day on past life influences. This is a follow-up to a tune-in that we did before on past lives. And I'm sure we will continue to add further content on this very popular subject these days. Past life influences. We bring into this incarnation the unresolved and incomplete lessons from our most recent past or parallel lives. Our core issues reflect our past patterns, now being called to be made whole again. Our core woundings from in utero, birthing, and early childhood reflect our major life lessons from a spiritual perspective. These core patterns are reflected in our parent-child relationships primarily, but also in our first love or marriage, our first divorce or separation, and or from our first loss of a loved one, including pets. Our auric field contains a level that is called your past life aura. Some can be said of the same can be said of your Akashic records, and the same can be said of our chakra system, your gateway from the ethereal to the physical. When you are out of control in a situation or relationship, what is reflected here is a playing out of a core pattern in your four lower bodies, your emotions, your thoughts, your energy, and your physical body. With contemplation, you can access or be tuned into these core patterns with the inner knowing of how to heal it and bring it into the present time, grounded in your new earth reality. Remember this: the obvious is never true, is one saying. The other is FEAR, false evidence appearing real. We must go deep into our subconscious to uproot these unconscious ingrained imprinting, which comes from culture, religion, politics, and self-created beliefs and ideas of self and God. By your creative ideas, you shall become free. By your new choices, you become freer to be. By sincere, effortless commitment, you shall be free. So let's just take a moment and just reflect on our past, our history, and whatever is coming up that appears to be outstanding or has energy in it now, and just be with that. Be with that core pattern. Bring it into love, bring it into the heart center, bring it into your power center, bring it into your soul, your spirit, and reimagine that that energy is now being completely loved and supported so that it can self-heal, so that it now can become part of your joy, part of your light, part of your inspiration in moving forward on your ascension path. Just simply be with it, breathe, allow, accept, and know that all is already healed. And let this energy move throughout the rest of your day into this week, knowing that you are free. And that whatever has happened in the past is the past and can now be received wholly and unconditionally into that place that we call unconditional love and allowance. So thank you for tuning in. And please go to our website to check out our new offerings, events, and products. And have a very wonderful week. Be blessed, be you, be free. Many blessings.